confirmed now that Victor Osimhen of Nigeria, who played in the World Cup qualifier and was injured, during the match he came out, and a lot of persons were so depressed that Nigeria's best striker could not complete the match. Everybody thought the injury was so severe, but as I speak to you now, Osimhen is ready to play in the Champions League for Galatasaray. So now, is it that that injury was faked, or was it that the injury was not that serious, or you think he could have managed it for Nigeria so that Nigeria should qualify for World Cup? Because if Nigeria don't make this World Cup, it will affect a lot of things in the economy. It will affect many people in Nigeria. So what do you think? Let me know your take on the comment section. Remember to subscribe and follow my page for more football news.